Alright, so today's look is a little out of my comfort zone, and that's because I never wear pink eyeshadow. I never thought I would see the day when I would touch a pink eyeshadow in this palette because pull very strong yellow undertones in my skin tone, and I just feel like they don't complement me too well. But it's a very pretty look, and especially if you have a really fair skin or neutral or cool undertones, I think this would look just absolutely stunning on you. But anyways, we're starting off with the shade MFEO. I'm taking it on my Sephora Pro crease brush and blending it in my crease as my transition shade. After that, I'm picking up the shade Pooter on my Haki Hodo J5523, my crease brush basically. I'm just blending it on my outer corners and then dragging it all the way to the inner corners of my eye as well, but I'm placing the majority of the shade on my outer corners. And then on that same brush, I'm now picking up the shade Buns, and basically I'm doing the exact same thing. I'm going to place this color on the outer corners, and then after blending it a little there, I'm going to drag it to the inner corners of my eyes as well. Basically here I'm just building the crease shades one by one. And then I'm gonna pick up some e.l.f. glitter glue and apply it all over my lids, because today the lid shade that I'm going to apply is going to be applied all over the lids. So now I'm picking up the shade Little Lady on my fingers, and I'm going to place it everywhere where I laid down my glitter glue, taking it all the way up to my crease. But then I'm going to take my Inglot 20T and really carve out the edges of your crease and making sure there are no skipped areas. Then on the same brush, I'm going to pick up the shade Cran Apple and basically just blend it out a little bit on the outer corners, kind of deepening up my outer corners there. Next is a part I'm really not that great at. So I started creating a wing using a gel eyeliner from Inglot in the shade number 74, and I kind of struggled here. It took me a good 10 minutes to create this wing, which of course with the power of editing I've edited out. But anyways, I feel like these colored gel eyeliners from Inglot are a little on the sheer side compared to their black ones. You need to really build them, which of course adds to your struggle. But anyways, after I did that, I picked up an angle brush and used the shade Royalty from the palette to really set this eyeliner down. I not only wanted it to be a little more purple, but I also wanted to kind of tidy up the edges of my very poor gel eyeliner. So I did that, and then I used the Master Drama Kohl eye pencil from Maybelline in my tight line, while I used the same gel eyeliner in my waterline. Then for my lower lash line, I'm going to start by blending out or smudging the eyeliner in my waterline using the shade Royalty on a pencil brush. After that, I'm going to pick up the shade Buns and apply it a little below the shade Royalty on my lower lash line. And finally, I'm going to take the shade Pooter and blend everything out to a more, blown out, blended kind of an effect. And then I'm going to finish off with a couple of coats of mascara on my upper as well as lower lashes. And of course, not to forget brow bone highlight. I'm using the shade In Light from the palette, and that basically completes the look. I am not a huge fan of how this looks on me personally, but it's a really pretty look and I think it can look good on a lot of different people. I'm just not one of them. So yeah guys, that completes today's look. I hope you guys enjoyed it, and I will see you guys in my next one. Bye!